So we're back with a brand new product. Eufy has actually released a brand new product, actually just about to release, the S1 Pro, which is a mop and robot vacuum in one. They send us this so we can check it out. Let's open this up and talk about what comes inside. So I actually lowered the box because there's so much that comes in here, including this, which I believe is probably going to be the main actual vacuum. Got our manuals. We got our quick start guide. This thing is huge. Then we've got our cleaning unit. There's the chemicals. Power cord. Brush. Filter. Vacuum bag. For that piece. So this is the actual tower unit. In here they hid an extra roller. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. Everything inside this unit has been perfectly packed for safety. There's so much foam, so much wrap on this that it's definitely going to make your destination safe. Even if you get the box that's a little bit dented or a little bit pierced, there's, like I said, so much foam. So this is where the actual unit docks. It docks here specifically for the purposes of removing the dust from the unit as well as the dirty water and then filling it up with new cleaning solution and new water. It also charges. So this here is the top of the unit. The water that's clean goes in this one here, whereas the dirty water goes into this unit and is easy to clean out. The dust bag is in here. You open up this unit here. There's already one installed. There's already one installed inside of there to make it easy for you. And then the cleaning solution right here. It has a tear off. It says tear off. And then this one gets actually placed in here and locked into place. Now, the cleaning solution, the dirty water, it's actually openable right here. You can see the top here. You're able to just dump it out as needed. The cleaned water. Is out of sight, out of mind. In the back of the unit, you don't see it, you don't notice it, you don't have to worry about looking at dirty, disgusting water. Whereas the front unit will specifically say, tap water only, do not exceed max line. Max line is, where's the max line? Max line is right here. As long as you keep it below the seal, you're fine. And this is where you put the water in this little pot here. But this right here is in the front, and the reason why it's in the front is you can actually see the water as you're using it and see if it needs to be refilled. Now opening this box to find the actual vacuum. Like I said, it's so well packed and so well foamed that it's specifically designed to be safe upon its destination. This is the actual unit here. So again, the vacuum comes wrapped up and sealed pretty neatly. We got foam protectors in here that you'll need to remove before you use. These are the connection terminals here and here, specifically for charging. And on the bottom side, they did give us 4 of these, but you only need 2 at a time. So you do have 2 backup, just to give an extra backup roller. These are dual brush spinners. That's going to throw the dirt to your full rubber vacuum. So it's got to be able to really not only suck in the dirt, but it's got a squeegee here, specifically for the purposes of sucking in all that dirt, making sure it doesn't miss any air in, dust out. With regards to the cleaning station, so there's 2 spots on side there that actually pushes the dust in with air to pull it back into the actual unit for cleaning out this device here. Got really big heavy duty feet, and then we've got a brush that easily comes out from just pushing this unit here with this arm. You've got cleaning solution that comes down onto the actual brush, and then you've got a squeegee built into this enclosure that is going to help clear. You can see the grooves in here for where the squeegee is. It's going to help take the water off of this roller, so that way it's not getting dirty while it's being used regularly. It's being cleaned almost immediately. And you just push it right back in. It's super easy. This is actually able to be raised and lowered depending on what type of floor you have. The machine will actually figure out. It actually uses Lidar and this front camera right here, the 3D matrix eye, to scan your house on its first run through. So you can run through on just a vacuum run, and it will basically just like videotape the whole house using only like sonar basically to create a map of your house, which you can actually see in the app. It's really cool. And then it will also notice the surfaces of the house, whether or not you have carpet or whether or not you have hardwood floors. It'll figure that out during its run through. It'll actually mark that on the map, and that way it will know to raise the mop during your use when you're going over carpet, and then to lower it again when going over the hardwood floor. That way you're not putting water onto your rugs and making your rugs all like wet and dirty, which is really nice. Up here top, this is the actual dustpan. You've also got your on, off, resets, Wi-Fi button here. You don't really need to worry about this dustpan here, although you can take it out and clean out if you want. The system itself does have the self-cleaner, so there's really no point to basically removing this on your own unless you want to do something to basically work on the system. You also do have your on-unit controls, which is the home and play, the play meaning to go vacuum. The backside here is where you access your water bin. Right here is where they suck the dirty water out of the unit, because this is where the dirty water is, and then it's going to pull out for that little stopper into the unit for cleaning, which is really nice. This unit is just amazing. We're going to showcase the app now, show you how that one works, and we're going to show you how this looks actually in motion, and we'll be right back. The Eufy S1 Pro's suction on that vacuum is amazing. The Lidar system with the 3D Matrix Eye is insanely crazy. And the fact that they let you basically see how like every bit of what it finds is really cool. And then on top of that, its ability to detect objects and move around them in use is really good. It's a really solid vacuum, super powerful and super smart. If you're looking for a top of the line smart vacuum for your house, this is it. This is it. This is the top of it. This is the best one you got out there. So if you want to pick one of these, I definitely recommend you do. We'll put a link down below so you can find it easier for yourself, and we will see you guys next time.